Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Loom Video Record, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly show you how you can record a video in Loom. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to record a screen record in Loom anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a YouTube channel, maybe you do online tutorials and you know that Loom is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. You can actually record in Chrome or you can download the desktop app. For me personally, I just use the Chrome extension. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there, but I've already logged into my Loom and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and record a Loom video, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on My Library. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the Loom records that you've already recorded. And in order to record a new Loom in Chrome, click on New Video right up here on the top right. It's in purple. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up and click on Record a Video. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this pop up right here. So make sure you have the setup correctly. So if you have another external camera, go ahead and click on here. Once you click there, you can go ahead and choose the camera that you want to use if you're doing a screen record like me. If not, you can click on No Camera and you're going to see the camera just disappear. So that's up to you. Usually on my tutorials, I have the camera there. And then here you can go ahead and choose the microphone. So you can see here are the microphones that are available. So for me, I'm going to use my earpod. Also, before you start recording, you can go ahead and add effects if you want. So maybe we want to go ahead and just do nature or blur or any of these effects. I don't really do that, so I'm going to click none. Also, if you want, you can go ahead and set up these frames by clicking on canvas. So the cool thing about Loom is they have a lot of different options. I mean, this one's kind of cool, rainbow, paint, and it just adds a little bit of something interesting to your videos. So here's what it looks like. That looks pretty cool. So let me close this down. Okay, so once you have all of those set up, you can go ahead and click on Start Recording. Okay, now you can choose what part of your screen you want to record. So you can do the entire screen. Make sure that you check the top bar. You can see it's going to list off all of these. You can also just choose to share one particular tab. So for example, choose this one right here. All right. And then click on share. Okay. Now it's processing. All right. Now it's recording in my Loom. So you can actually just move yourself around if you want. So especially if you're doing some sort of a tutorial, you want to move yourself out of the way. And then once you are recording, you can go ahead and pause the recording by clicking here. So that's for maybe if you need to switch between different windows during your tutorial. And then when you're ready to start recording again, just click on the play. And now it's recording again. And you can keep doing that over and over again. And then once your tutorial has been completed, you want to click on finish, which is this kind of stop button. Okay, now you can see your Loom recording right here, and you can see that it just starts playing on its own. Now, if you pay for the extra, I think it's $4 or $5 per month for the AI, here on the right side, Loom AI, you can go ahead and remove the filler words by clicking there, and then it's going to remove the ums or uhs that you might have had inside of your video. And then if you also want to remove the silence, you can click right here. So that way, if there's any kind of pauses in between your speaking, then it's going to be removed right here. Now, in order to share this video, you can easily just copy the link by clicking on this chain link right there. All right, now the link is copied to your clipboard, so you can go ahead and text it or email your Loom video. Or if you want to download your video, you can click on these three dots right here, and you want to click right here on download video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to record a Loom video in your Chrome browser, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.